Welcome back to this channel. Next video completed to paragraph like justify, left, right, center, bottom, and etc. And in this video, any insert image and date and time insert and insert MS Paint, etc. Okay, so let's start. Open the Wordpad, click the search bar and type Wordpad like show and enter. Okay, first option is picture, insert picture. Okay, click insert picture and click picture. Choose your images, this. Okay, and okay. Wow, so beautiful image. And I want to change image, so click picture and change picture. Okay, like this image and okay. Wow, change this picture. I hope you understand this video. Next option is resize picture, like click image and resize look and height horizontal like 170 and okay. So like okay. Next option is drawing, click the paint and open the paint option. Draw the shape like a star. Okay, and fill the color, choose the green color and click. Wow, and close. Wow, this was very beautiful. Next option is the date and time. Click on option and click the date and time like full dates. Wednesday 5 February 2025. Let's okay. Wow, I increase the text size. Okay, this date. Okay, I hope you understood this video. Any doubts, please questions. Next option is insert object. Insert object like any software Wordpad insert. Okay, click the option MS text, open document Word. Okay, and open. Please wait. Oh, so sorry, Wordpad is not running because this is a Wordpad and next not open a new Wordpad. Okay, next option choose, click like MS Word. Okay, click. Please wait. Search open. Wow, here's Wordpad. Okay, cancel. I hope you understand. Okay, all tabs you are open and use and close the direct. So this is MS Word text. Okay, I hope you understand in this video. In this video is done, right? Okay, so thanks for watching video. Meet through the next video.